This is a stage where you develop a whole new normal, where you develop a new rhythm, a new way of thinking, a new way of living. And it is the time with new adaptations and learning and living new skills. When you are discharged and after the completion of your treatment, set yourself some realistic goals for each day. Make sure that you acknowledge the changes and losses that have come from your illness. Family and friends often want to help you, so let them know what is most helpful to you, what your needs are. It might be practical support, like driving you to appointments, or making a meal, helping with work or your children, or even just listening to when you had a rough day. Remind yourself of the things that you can still control. While you need to accept the things that you cannot control, such as the cause of your illness and various side effects, it is important that you can still choose things like your goals for every day, or your longer term goals, some chores or hobbies, what you wear and eat, and what you think or say. Don't be defined by this illness. It might be a part of your life now, but it is not all of you.